Hello everyone, I am CS Ishika Agrawal and this is the complete guidance video regarding CS Executive for the cseet passouts of November 2022. In this video, I'll explain you what is the last date of registration for you, when you will get ICSI study material, whether you should go for old syllabus or new syllabus, how many attempts you will get in old syllabus, when to give pre-test ODOP and when to fill the exam form. All this complete guidance you will get in one single video. So stay tuned. So here we are with the ICSI FAQs, which talks about the last date of registration. So if you want to give your both module in June 2023, then the last date for that has been gone, which was 30th November and which was not very much recommended. So if you want to give one module in June 2023, then the last date for registration is your 31st January. So if you want to appear one module, any one, either module 1 or module 2, any one module in June 2023, then your last date of registration is, please note, your last date of registration is 31st of January 2023. Please register with ICSI before 31st January 2023 if you want to give any one module in June 2023 examination. Number one doubt is clear. Number two, when you will get ICSI books, as soon as you will register with ICSI, you will pay the fees. After that, you will approx in 30 to 40 days or 30 to 45 days, you will receive your ICSI study materials at your registered address. Yes. Now a few FAQs I want to tell you, like few basic things. As soon as you register with ICSI for CS executive, you have to do online registration and you have to upload online documents. How to register for CS executive, I have made a separate video on that, the complete step by step registration, how to register for CS executive. Link I will provide somewhere here or somewhere here. You can find the link. Also, I'll provide the link in the description box below. From that, you can find a complete guidance video, step by step registration video, how to register for CS executive, right? um, and now, what is the fees, madam? Basically, your fees will be 10,600. But among this 5,000 fees is your optional. It's your optional. Chartered secretary, you can unselect this option. So your fees will reduce to 10,100. And I would suggest you, please don't go for chartered secretary. You can find it online also. So if you don't select this option, then your fees will be reduced to 10,100. This fees is your one-time fees for CS executive both module registration. So please make sure that executive registration is one time for both module and this fees is 10,100. You don't have to register for module 1 separately and module 2 separately. No, register for both the modules of CS executive is done simultaneously. Only this is one time registration fees of ICSI 10,100, right? As soon as you will register with ICSI, you will get a 17 digits registration number, which you have to write somewhere, keep it safe for future correspondence with your ICSI, right? Yes. So this was all about the last date of registration and books. Next, whether you should go for old syllabus or new syllabus. For that, I want to tell you that you get three more attempts in old syllabus. That is the last attempt of your old syllabus is for executive program. The last attempt for your old syllabus of executive program is June 2024, which means you get three attempts in old attempt: June 2023, December 2023, and June 2024. You get three more attempts in old syllabus, and old syllabus is better than new syllabus. I would suggest go for old syllabus, and in this three attempt, definitely you will clear your CS executive. So it's not worth to wait for the new syllabus to come. I would suggest you go for old syllabus. This is my strong recommendation, since old syllabus is a bit better than new syllabus. And I'll tell you, here one point is given. This is the ICSI new syllabus, and here ICSI has given the start date for registration for new syllabus. And if you register on or after 1st February 2023, then you will be compulsorily subject to new syllabus. So what I would suggest you, please register lastly by 31st January 2023, so that you will be registered in old syllabus and then you can give your examination in old syllabus. If you register after January, that is if you register on or after 1st February, you will not get option for old syllabus. You compulsorily have to shift to new syllabus, which is not very recommendable. And I would suggest you, don't waste your one attempt for the new syllabus. Old syllabus is definitely a better syllabus and more scoring. The new syllabus has been made more harder. So new syllabus is more hard as compared to the old syllabus. Go for the old syllabus, register before 31st January, and in before June 2024 you would definitely be able to clear your CS executive. So this is my strong recommendation, that you should go for old syllabus only. And I've also told you about the last date of registration in old syllabus and how many attempts you will get in old syllabus. You will get 3 attempts in old syllabus till June 2024. Right. So here we are done with attempts in old syllabus. Next is I'll talk about pre-test and ODOP. So when do you have to do pre-test and ODOP? Some students were asking me, ma'am, do we have to do pre-test ODOP before registration? No. You have to do pre-test ODOP afterwards, but before filling the exam form. Now, what is this exam form, ma'am? Approx 2 months before examination, you have to fill the exam form. That is, you have to submit with ICSI. You have to enroll with ICSI for the examination, right? That is known as exam enrollment or filling the exam form. So you have to fill the exam form approx 2 months before your examination. So here I'll tell you the last date of filling your exam form. uh, right. So if you want to give your examination in June, then the last date to fill your exam form is 25th of March without late fees, 9th of April with late fees. Don't worry, as soon as the examination form window will open, we will update in our YouTube channel, so you can subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified about all the videos. So you have to fill your exam form by 25th March if you want to give your examination in June. Now, exam form you have to fill only for that module which you want to appear. Example, let's say you want to appear in module 1 only, then fill only module 1 exam form. If you want to appear only in module 2, then fill module 2 exam form. If you want to appear in both the modules, then fill both modules exam form. Now, what is the fees of exam form? If sorry, for one module the fees is 1200. That is, if you want to enroll, fill the exam form of any one module, you have to pay the fees of 1200. This fees is for examination. And if you want to give both the modules, then you have to pay the fees of 2400, 1200 for each module, right? So this is your fees of exam form, and this is your last date of filling the exam form. Now, in order to be eligible to fill the exam form, you have to complete these two criteria, that is pre-test and ODOP. So pre-test and ODOP you have to do any day you can do, but make sure you complete your pre-test and ODOP before 25th of March. Don't worry, we will update or everything about pre-test and ODOP in our channel, how to give pre-test, how to give ODOP. Basically, ODOP you have to do in your chapter office. So whichever is your nearest chapter office, ICS chapter office, visit your nearest chapter office or call them and ask them whenever they are conducting the next pre-test ODOP. Just go there. It's a 1 day orientation program and attend that 1 day orientation program and you are done. Pre-test, do that after you complete your syllabus before 25th March. It's like a pre-board, like a pre-test. You have to clear that before you give the examination. So you have to you have to complete your pre-test and ODOP before filling your exam form. Right. So before 25th March, make sure you complete your pre-test and ODOP, and then you have to fill the exam form. So that was all about the requirements, whatever. That's it. So as of now, what you have to do, you just have to register with ICSI before 31st January 2023, and then you will get your books. That's it. You will be subject to old syllabus. Old syllabus is the best. Go for old syllabus. You get 3 attempts in old syllabus. You will be able to crack it. In case of any further doubt or any further guidance, you can surely contact me, or you can comment below. If you have any query, you can comment below and you can ask me question, or you can contact me in Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, anywhere. I'll surely try to clear your doubts. My free company law revision and course videos is available in the same YouTube channel. I teach law in CA and CS course, so you can watch all those videos of law of CA law, CS law, CS executive law, it is available in the same channel. You can find in the playlist page. In case of any further guidance, you can contact me. Right? All the best for your preparation. Study well, keep learning, because the more you learn, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the more you achieve. Take care. Bye bye.